We're doing trig review test 3, problems 36 and 37. 36 is solve the tangent of x plus 1 times the sine of x plus 1. This one's already factored for you. All you have to do is set each factor equal to 0 and solve. If tangent of x plus 1 equals 0 and sine of x plus 1 equals 0, you know that tangent of x equals negative 1 and sine of x equals negative 1. You may have to think just a little bit on this one. Anytime it's tangent, I kind of like my unit circle, my exact value chart. You know, tangent is 1 at 45 degrees. It's going to be negative 1 in those quadrants where sine and cosine have opposite signs and related angles of 45. So that would be 135 degrees, and it would also be 315 degrees. So I have two of my answers, 135, 315. I want those in radians. 135 is 3 pi over 4. 315 is 7 pi over 4. So I have 3 pi over 4, 7 pi over 4. Where is sine negative 1? Look around this unit circle. Sine is negative 1 in one place at 270 degrees, and that is 3 pi over 2. Number 37. Solve the sine of x plus 2 sine of x cosine of x equals 0. I can factor out sine of x out of both of those. I'll have sine of x times 1 plus 2 cosine of x equals 0. Sine of x equals 0. 1 plus 2 cosine of x equals 0. Solve this second equation. 2 cosine of x equals negative 1. Divide by 2. Now I'm asking you to use your unit circle and find the places where sine is 0 and where cosine is negative 1/2. So I'm looking for the places where the second number is 0, here and here. So I know I have 0 and pi for two of my answers. I'm looking for the places where cosine is negative 1/2. I know cosine is negative in the second and third quadrants. Cosine is my first number, so that's going to be 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. Look at your unit circle. You got 2 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3. Good luck on this test. If you need my help, come see me.